If you like that idea of growing your own little medicine garden like I do, this video is for you, because there is a plant that you can actually put in the ground right now that people have brewed this plant for hundreds of years. And the funny part is it just grows wild right here in Florida. So it might be in your backyard or on your nature walk, you might see it. And a lot of people, they just throw it out and they don't even know the goodness that they just threw away, that they just threw out, or they just use for mulch. Welcome back to GrowFit Florida. I'm Jermaine and I grow food right here in, you know it, beautiful West Central Florida, Zone 10A. If you love growing your own food, your own remedies, hit the subscribe button and stick around. Let's get into it. I want to show you all these old ancient remedies that potentially can help us right now in our lives today, right here on my channel. That's what I'm trying to show you guys. We grow many of the things that I'm talking about, and a lot of times when I do these videos, they just get lost in the feed. So I want to make sure we have an updated one for you, and especially when you need. We can all benefit more from just getting back to the basics, getting back to earth and taking control over our own health care. And stop allowing it to go in the hands of other people, because nobody cares about your health more than you. Now, let me say that again. Nobody is going to care about your health as much as you do. So what's the plant I'm talking about today is Guinea Hen Weed, also called Anamu. Let's go look at it. So it is a Florida native, so it already loves the heat, and that's a good thing. It's a small green plant, and it grows about 3 feet tall when it's fully mature, and it smells so much like garlic. It's one of those plants that people have grown for a very, very long time on purpose. And here's something that you might not know. So we use these the leaves for tea, but the real magic is underground. Like, these roots down here are so potent and so strong that you have to be careful when you're actually using it for tea. So I would start off with the leaves, because there's still a lot of medicinal properties with the leaves, but the real strength is in the roots. Jermaine, why grow it, right? So if you're building a backyard pharmacy, this is one of those plants that you can add in, and it's some good stuff for you. So for hundreds of years, people in Jamaica, Central and South America, they have dried it and they steeped the leaves and made tea from it. It's good for a variety of different things. Some people, they grow it and they use it for arthritis in their joints. Some people, they use it for like colds and flus. Myself, I feel it's a good immunity booster, and that's how a lot of other people use it for too. You don't take it as often as your other teas, but this is one that you can take once a week or once every couple weeks, and it gives you a nice immunity boost, nice protective layer in the inside of your body, so to speak. Little plant, it's been a part of home gardens and home remedies for generations. Now, I'm not here to make any promises or tell you it's to cure anything. Again, talk to your doctor before you use it. Talk to your doctor first. Like, I'm not a doctor. Disclaimer, of course. This plant is extremely strong, extremely potent. It's not for everybody. It naturally thins your blood. So if you're taking any type of blood thinner or heart medications, this plant is probably not for you. And if you're pregnant, just please skip it completely. Talk to your doctor before you run out and you go buy yourself some Anamu. Now, growing it is so easy. I've tried different spots. I've had it in a sunny spot and it didn't do so well. Right when I put it in a spot where it's not getting so much sun, blasted with sun and some partial shade, that's when it starts to take off and you can use it more. So I suggest looking for a spot with some sun, but it's giving it a little bit of shade, and it's not picky about the dirt whatsoever. So if your soil's not amended, it's okay, it will be fine. The biggest thing about Guinea Hen Weed is just don't let it sit in water. Make sure it's a spot, or you're putting it somewhere where that water is gonna drain out really, really well. Just like most of our plants, right? Especially most of our herbs. So that's what I found out in growing it now for a few years. The easiest way to grow it is just from a cutting. So ask someone who already has it, you can get a cutting. And the same way that I showed you how you can grow moringa from a cutting is the exact same way. You also can get it from seeds too, and seeds take a couple weeks to germinate, and it's not that difficult to grow it from seed. So from seed or from cuttings, wherever you prefer, whatever your time permit is. Someone's asking, like, is it annual, is it perennial? Well, here where I'm at in Florida, like, if we get any type of cold, it's gonna bounce back. So it's definitely like a perennial for us. It's gonna continue to bounce back. if we get any type of freeze or frost. And that's what I found. The one that I'm showing you guys right now in our raised bed, when we had that crazy winter in January and February this year, yeah, it died back, but as you see, it's coming right back. So it was no issues. The guinea hen that we have in the ground, exact same thing. There's pretty much no issues with it. It comes right back when you live in warmer climates, of course. So to use it is very simple, just like you would any tea. You're gonna take the leaves, you're gonna dry them out, take a few leaves, 2 or 3 leaves, dry them out, and then you can use it in your tea. Now with this plant, you can actually use the stem, and if you really want that medicinal property, you wanna get some of those roots. So you're gonna dig up some and get some of those roots, wash it off really good, let it dry out, and just use some of the roots. Now you're not throwing the whole thing in a pot, so you have to find out your tolerance, so just a little bit, wash it, dry it, use it in your tea, and the more potent you want it. So if you just want to sample it to get started, just go with the leaves. If you want to make it a little bit stronger, the leaves with a little bit of the stem. If you want that full medicinal property with it, then the leaves, the stem, and the roots. Remember, again, those roots are the strongest part. So when you're going to harvest them, be careful. Maybe even wear some eyeglasses or something to cover your nose if it's your first time, because you will tear up. It's strong. So be careful. And when you're teeing those roots too, less is more. Please make sure less is more. Talk to your doctor too before you go experimenting with this tea, because it's very potent and it's very strong. One of the best things about this tea is you're getting this full medicinal tea that people have been using for so many years, and you're growing it in your backyard. Before all these medications and before people they could go and go out and get the modern day treatment, they went to teas like this, teas like that you can grow in your backyard right now. So I find it is really cool that we can grow it here in Florida and other warm climate areas. Got something out of that today? Do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe. I really hope that this video helped you. I hope that you learned something about Guinea Hen weed and just another option that you can add to your own backyard pharmacy. Like, we're growing our own herbs in our backyard for our health. And remember, again, nobody's going to care about your health as much as you do. Well, it is hot right now outside, and before this heat really picks up, I have a few things that I need to do in the food forest. Again, I hope this video brought value to you today. Thank you guys for watching, and until the next video, God bless.